You were in somebody's picture, so.
Presernov Square is the part of Ljubljana that you can't really miss. A very pleasant square situated right in the middle of town with nice buildings and statues, very picturesque, especially in the evening. Whilst you're in Presernov Square, you'll also find the meeting point for the free walking tour of Ljubljana. With several walks a day and lots of interesting history to learn about, I would really recommend joining one. I'll leave a link in the description to the schedule for these tours. As you've been walking around the city, you'd have almost definitely noticed the castle sitting and overlooking the city. You can go up and see it either by catching the funicular, which costs a few euros and takes about 30 seconds, or walk up the steps, which takes about 10 minutes. When you get to the top, you'll be able to explore the inside and the outside of the castle and also take in views of the city. Not actually something I did, but if you'd like to experience the views from the river, then there are lots of companies that offer river tours and boat tours. A large outdoor market where locals sell fresh fruit, oils, spices, clothes, other foods and anything else you could think of. On the outside of the market and in a few other places around the city, you'll find these unique milk dispensers. Buy an empty bottle for 30 cents and then help yourself to some fresh cold milk. It's safe to drink. I can vouch for this from personal experience. Trubarjeva Street seems to be where all the hip and indie bars and restaurants are. The city contains a lot of students and I would assume a lot would hang out around here. My highlight from this street is a place where you can play chess whilst having a drink or a bite to eat. So Ljubljana is really good at organising events throughout the year to entertain locals and tourists alike. When I was there, they had an open-air cinema which was based within the castle walls and also a 3-on-3 street basketball game. So there are a lot of food options in Ljubljana. If you're looking for something local, you can try potiče, which is a small cake-like food and it's the one I'm eating in the introduction, or try some strukli, which is like a cheesy dumpling. Otherwise, there are a lot of different worldwide foods, a huge street that runs down the side of the river, so you can try a different dish each evening that you're there overlooking the river. And finally, catch a free ride from one of these buggy taxis. Just flag them down and tell them where you'd like to go. So this has been 10 things to do in Ljubljana. It's a beautiful city and definitely worth spending some time here. I'm sure I've missed things out, so please do comment underneath this video with any suggestions you may have. Also, a huge shout out to Dennis Wecker, who was the first person ever to donate to this channel. This was really unexpected and hugely appreciated, so thanks a lot, Dennis. And if you did enjoy this video, please do leave a like and consider subscribing, it really does help. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon.